alive today. Can't go back, we're racing hearts, chasing dreams on track. Underneath the neon lights where the shadows never lie. Adrenaline is pumping, hear the crowd we thrive. Every turn, every curve, that's how we feel alive. Life's a dragway, feel the fire, racing past the dives, take me higher. Screeching tires and a thunderous shout, no retreat, we push the limits, this is what it's about. Outlaws on the asphalt, freedom in our veins, speed by the moment, breaking all the chains. Sliding like the wind, shadows cast in the glow. This is our anthem, let the engines roll. Life's a dragway, feel the fire, racing past the dives, take me higher. In the heart of the race, we take flight, with every mile we ignite. Life's a dragway, feel the fire, racing past the dives, take me higher.
Life goes racing by, behind every curve. Engines roaring loud, feel the asphalt swerve. Chasing after dreams on this Dragway thrill. Gonna take my shot with a heart to kill. On this Dragway life, speeding high, so you wanna ride fast. On the edge we fly, nights alive and bright, gonna push it hard. Every mile I fight, never let down my guard. With the wind in my face, I can taste the fire. In the race of my life, hope will take me higher. On this Dragway life, speeding high, so you wanna ride fast. On the edge we fly. City Rider.